Hey, what's up? My name is Henry, and in this one, I'm talking about the main excuses that people come up with to not invest in real estate. So I'm trying to give you guys some crap, okay? Whoever you know, or if it's you who are saying these things. So I just want to give my thoughts on all of these excuses and how I see them and how I got past them so that I was able to really go in hard to real estate investing and not have any hesitation. You should not have anything holding you back. If you do, yeah, then you're better off not investing. And I'm mainly talking about rental real estate. I'm talking about mainly rentals, not the home that you live in. To me, the home you live in doesn't count, okay? That's not investing. You're not making money off of that. You're living comfortable, that's it. All right, let's start with the first one. So people always say, oh, I don't wanna get a call at 2 a.m. to come and unclog your toilet or any kind of maintenance request. Okay, so let's just say if it's your toilet, you just need to come up with a game plan. You think ahead. So the way I handle it, I make sure that when someone moves in for the first time, I get a new tenant, or even if I'm inheriting tenants, I tell them the first time, if there's anything like that, I will pay for it. I will pay for a professional to come and clog your toilet. But after that, it's on you. Because there's no bad plumbing, there's no, we know there's nothing else going on. We had a professional come and clear it out, and it happens again, it's on you. So usually after that, I don't hear from anybody again. They take care of it. Either they prevent it, or if something happens, they'll take care of it themselves. And I never have that problem. And the next one is, oh, I'm not comfortable with debt. So to me, you need to get past yourself, okay? If you're talking about a 30-year fixed rate mortgage at 3-point-something%, to me, that is already the lowest risk debt. And that's for something that will make you money in appreciation and cash flow. So how can you beat that? Like, that's something that will actually make you money, and you're paying 3% and spread out 30 years, and you're only paying like a small percentage down payment to get it. Debt is really a tool, okay? If you can control yourself, you can use this tool to really change your life and your family's life. Next one is, what if I lose everything? So you really need to plan for that. Okay, everything that can possibly come up, you should have thought about it. You should read and studied, you should know what's going on, and then come up with backup plans for each. It should not be a concern. You should already know if something comes up, you already have a solution in place. Next excuse, oh man, I have to pay so much interest to the banks. That's like not worth it. To me, you're not paying any interest. Your tenants are paying all of the interest and all of the mortgage and every expense in the house, okay? This place should be paid for and then still give you an income. That's the beauty of this. You are not paying any interest yourself. It costs too much. So cost and price, this is all relative. So whatever you're comfortable with and a number that's, good for you, invest in that market. If the market you live in is too expensive, then find somewhere where you're more comfortable with. There's actually plenty of places where you can get in at any price range. So find something that works for you. Don't just say it's too expensive and stop your thought process there. And then the next one is, I have no money. So how can I invest? I have no money. Make some money, save some money, invest your money, grow that money until you have enough to invest in real estate. There is a way. If you really want it bad enough, you will make sacrifices to save, cut expenses so that you can invest in real estate. It is possible. Everybody has to deal with it when they're first starting out. Another excuse is it's impossible, okay? Nothing is impossible. Please get that out of your head. It's possible. You've seen a bunch of people do it, and you've heard, the most millionaires are made using real estate. You just need to come up with a goal, come up with a time frame and the steps it's gonna take to reach that goal so that you can invest in real estate. It's possible. Just think it through and come up with a plan. And then stocks are better. Okay, to me, it's so clear cut that if you're investing in real estate that makes you money and cash flow and appreciation, there is no contest. Stocks cannot touch that because you are getting an income. You are getting appreciation, like stocks can grow. And then you're also getting all of the tax benefits, whatever gains you make when you sell the property. Stocks are really good if you're lazy. If you don't think you want to spend any time doing any work and you want to just lay on the bed and somehow that's safe, counting on another company and people in that company to make good decisions, then go for it, okay? Then real estate maybe is not for you, but just understand these are all excuses that you're coming up with. All right, so I think that's enough excuses for one day. Let me know what you think in the comments, and thanks for watching, and good luck.